How to turn off Instagram calls. First, open Instagram app. Now go to your profile icon on bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap the three bars icon on top right corner. From there, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now go to Notification. From there, tap on Calls option and click on option off to turn off all video calls. However, people potentially could still make an audio call. So, to completely disable all audio and video, you'll need to head back and go to Settings app. From there, scroll down and tap on Privacy. Now on the top, tap on Permission Manager and from there go to Microphone. Here search for Instagram and tap on Deny option. Now head back and search for Camera and simply tap on Deny option. So by following these steps, you can simply turn off Instagram calls. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more tutorials. Thank you.